to fix Discord screen share black screen. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you guys how can you fix Discord screen share black screen. Now to fix it, so you have a couple of different methods to do it. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure to go ahead and open up your user settings, or when you're actually sharing your screen, like just like this. Now click on the screen share icon at the bottom, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and switch it to entire screen. This can actually help you out. Actually done it, so click on the share button, and once you've done it, so that should be able to fix it. So now if this isn't working out, then you could also go to user settings right on this page, and then you want to go ahead and click on voice and video. Once you go to voice and video, you want to make sure to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom. Make sure to click on the option as advanced voice activity as well. Just want to make sure to toggle the button. If it was already toggled on, or if it was already on, then what you could do is just turn it off and once again come back to the same page and turn it on. That should be able to fix it. So however, if that doesn't work out, then you could also simply go ahead and restart your device. That could be able to fix the issue, and try logging out and see whether the issue will be solved or not. But likewise, apart from it, what you could also do is sometimes you could also try clean your cache. So go to the three dot icon and go to settings. Right on this page, you want to go ahead and click on privacy and security and make sure to delete the browsing data. Now in some cases, you might have actually disabled the microphone as well as the camera icon. So what you could do is you could also go ahead and check for the permission as well. So what you want to do is just to check it, or just to be sure, you could actually go to the Discord page and click on this initials you can see in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then here you want to make sure to enable the microphone as well as sound, and you could actually go ahead and click on the site and all that. Just go ahead and make sure to configure all of these settings and see whether the issue fixes or not. So these are some of the simplest way to fix Discord black screen share issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.